In the second reading, Jesus says the obvious truth. Nobody lights a lamp and keeps it under a vessel or under a bed. Because those days there were no electric lamps, there were oil lamps. They kept on a lamp stand. Now Jesus is referring here not merely the oil lamp. He is telling us, you are my disciple. Your life has to be a light to others. By your words, by your actions, by your very life, you should become a lamp for others. Can we say this in Goa? Catholics are like this. If this is so, why in the recent that attack which took place and those who are arrested, there are many Catholics are there? How it is possible? You tell me. It is because in Goa we don't live according to the teaching of Jesus. Namesake we say we are Catholics. Just by wearing a cross or putting a scapular or coming to a church, we don't become Catholics. Our life has to be that of according to the teaching of Jesus. So it is a shame for us that Catholics are involved in this hooliganism and attack. Then Jesus says, those who have more will be given more. And those who do not have, whatever they think they have will be taken away. Rather strange. Why to give more, those who have more? Because God gave us talents. God gave us the energy. When we don't use it to give Him glory and for the service of others, whatever we think we have, God will take away from us. So today's reading are not just mere readings. They are a powerful message because it's the Word of God. Let us be humble before God. Let us treat everybody as our brothers and sisters, irrespective where they are born, from which language, which culture, which family, doesn't matter. We belong to Him.